Here's how you can pin a comment on TikTok. First, open TikTok and go to your profile. Open one of your videos, then tap the comments icon. Find the comment you want to pin, then press and hold on it. From the menu that appears, look for the Pin Comment option and select it. If you don't see the option to pin a comment, you'll need to contact TikTok support. Start by going to your profile and tapping the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and tap Help Center. Once the page opens, look for the option called Report a Problem and tap on it. Next, tap on this feedback form link. First, choose the topic as feature request and then select Report a Bug. Now, enter your username, contact info, and explain that you don't have the option to pin comments on your videos. After entering your message, submit the report and wait for TikTok's response. Keep in mind that the pin comment feature may not be available for every account or region yet, so contacting support is the best option if the feature is missing. That's all for this video. Thanks.